Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I got a taste for some good old popcorn. So, I got out my popcorn maker. I've had this quite a while. It's Nostalgia popcorn maker. Got my Flavacol. That's the popcorn seasoning salt. And my coconut oil with beta carotene in it. And right now it's kind of liquidy. So let me, and of course popcorn seeds. These are really old, so I hope they pop. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing start to finish. I used to make this kind of popcorn for my grandkids when they were little. And they used to come over all the time. Okay, like I said, this is Nostalgia popcorn maker. It has an off switch. It has this lid and this removable plastic top. I'll take it off now so I don't forget. It has vent holes in the top of the lid to let the steam escape while the popcorn is popping. This has an arm that spins around when it's on. Hope I don't have it screwed on too tight. And so I'm going to start out with my oil, my coconut oil. You can buy all this stuff from Amazon. Okay, I'm going to use, how much? Open this flap. I just cut a little flap in here. I'm going to use almost a 1/3 cup of this oil. And right now it just happens to be liquidy. Usually it's solid. Y'all know how the white coconut oil does. This is a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to use a little more than a 1/4 cup. But it's not as much as a 1/3. You want this to completely cover the popcorn kernels. So use a little bit more. Seems like a lot of oil. And don't spill this stuff because it'll get all over, it'll stain. Like this. Get this out my way. I usually buy this coconut oil by the big gallons, like this here. And I still got that big old gallon container in my cabinet, but I've had it so long, I don't want to use it no more. I'm thinking it may be good, but I don't want to take a chance and use it. I'm going to show y'all. Had it for years. This pure coconut oil. Okay, and I've had it a long time, about 9 years. So I'm gonna have Walter take that out to the garbage and dump that. Well, I could have this on. You can use regular coconut oil. That's what that was. But I like the one with the beta carotene in it, because it colors the popcorn. So I just turn that on. It's going to heat up. In the meanwhile, I'm going to put in almost a cup. This is 1 cup, measuring cup. So I'm going to put in more than half a cup, but not quite a cup. About that much. Okay. Wait till that oil gets hot. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this Flavacol. Require less salt, then just use less. So this is maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon. So I would say 2 teaspoons. And put this in here now. So you don't need any extra salt. You don't need butter. I'm going to put a couple kernels in here so I know when to add all the kernels. When that pops, I know this is ready for me to add everything else. Just out of my way. I had another one of these too, and I used it about halfway, and it didn't have no expiration date. I don't know if this one does or not. Sometimes you can just keep stuff too long. I don't know if salt goes bad or not, but I just got another one. Okay. I'll be back when these kernels pop, and then I'll know to add the rest of them. Okay. And something I want to point out to you, don't have no little kids standing around waiting for these first kernels to pop, because it can pop in your eye. Okay. So I'm still waiting. Walter don't know I'm fixing this. He's going to come out the room in a little while when he smells this movie theater smell up in here. I hear it sizzling, waiting for it to pop. I don't want it to hit me. A hot kernel. Okay. Pop one more. Right. Lid on. Let it do what it does. So when it starts to pop, I'll come back. Y'all see what I did? So cloudy, that's that steam built up in there. And if I left that little black lid on it, it would be trapped. You don't want to leave that on. You take it off while it's popping. I used to have an air popper where all it used was hot air to pop the popcorn. I boxed that mess up and sent it back. Popcorn tastes like cardboard. Now if you're trying to be extra healthy, then you probably need the air popcorn. But I like a little oil and salt up in mine. I'm hoping it all pops. This popcorn is pretty old. When I hear it slowing down, then it's time to turn it off, or either just unplug it so you don't have no burnt kernels. Slowing down. Unplugged it. And this thing is very hot. Okay. Flip it. Be careful. You flip it. Like I said, the bottom part is very hot. Take it off easy and have somewhere to put it immediately. So I'm right by the stove. Look at that. Nice big old container of popcorn. Got a couple. It look nice and yellow. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. I want to leave it in here. No, I'm gonna put it in my thing. This is a cake taker. I usually put it in my crock pot. Pops up a nice amount. So I'm gonna let this cool before I wash it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You don't need no salt, no nothing. I'll be back. I'm gonna get my bowl. Big bowl. It's almost 10 o'clock here, y'all. Whoa, you scared me, man. You smelled it?
No.
You didn't smell the popcorn?
No.
I'm filming. I have to remind Walter when the camera's on. He knows. You know why. That's good for now. Yum. Okay, y'all. This tastes just like movie theater popcorn. And I'm surprised this popcorn popped up so well because it's old. Nice, warm, buttery tasting, salty popcorn. And I don't know what kind of popcorn seeds these are. If I buy it, probably buy the bag and just pour it in my those little jars, mason jars. Let's hit the spot. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, greasy thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye for real now.